Yes, sir.
Next question, all of you. I think 3 questions already we finished in constraint motion. Am I right, everyone? Yeah. So there is a shortcut for us. 3 shortcuts. Yesterday I have taught you how to solve the numericals of a constraint motion shortcuts. There is a summation of tension into x. Displacement means equals to 0. That is what summation of velocity means. Tension into velocity is equals to 0. Summation of tension into acceleration is equals to what? Everybody is equals to 0. So if you apply this formula, then definitely we can solve the constraint motion very easily. So that is what we found it. Now today's class, observe many sums we solve in a constraint motion. Sum to sum, you must improve your fastness. That is what is expecting. So all of you observe, this is a one surface and these are the another 2 surfaces. So draw the question, everyone, fastly. I may not draw the question again, but you all people need to draw the question once again. So there is a car now. So this is car A. What is this car? Car A. And there is another car called as car B. Okay. Now the question is, now car A is moving with 4 meter per second and it has been attached to a fixed pulley. You can check it. And it has been dragging attached to the car B. So with the surface angle, if you have checked it, the surface angle is actually 37 degrees. How much is the angle, everybody? 37 degrees. Now the question is, calculate the velocity of a B. That's all is the question. Do you all understand, everyone? What is the question? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now we have to find it what? Velocity. So that which we have to apply. We all know that summation of tension into V, which is equals to what? Everybody? Which is equals to 0. So this is what is our question. So let me use different colors so that you all understand. Now can you tell me here what is the tension here? Tension acting towards the car or away from the car? Here. Everybody. Respond away from the car. And here tension is act also away from the car. This is what. Am I right, guys? Everyone? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now first observe here. Velocity is in this direction, tension is acting in this direction. So both are perpendicular. So cos 180. Cos 180 is how much? Yesterday also we have done. Cos 180 is equals to. Yes, please. -1. So that I'll write tension T into what is the velocity? -4. Can I take -4? Everybody clear, everyone? Both are opposite direction. Am I right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Yes, please. Plus next again here tension and see velocity and tension both are in same direction. But what is the angle between them?
37.
37. So that it is a dot product. Dot product means what will come? Cos. Am I right, everybody? Please respond. So that what will happen
Yes,
here?
sir.
So T into velocity of a B into cos. How much it is? Cos 37 is equals to 0. So that's all. Then we all knows that 37. So 37 means minimum. So that opposite side minimum value, minimum value, less value. 37 means 3 here will come. If it is 53 means what will come here? All of you. Larger side, larger angle, larger side. Lesser, smaller angle, smaller side. Am I right, Rudresha? That's all. So it
Yes,
will
sir.
turn to 4 into T and this one T into velocity will be into cos 37 value fastly. Cos
4 by
37
5.
value 4 by, so sorry here 4 by 5. So that is what? So 4 by 5 which is equals to 0. So both there I will cancel the TT. So TT means I will take common T outside and I can send this side, it will become 0. Am I right, guys? All of you? That's all.
Yes, sir.
So this -4 will come this side. What will happen? It will turns into what?
Plus
VB into 4 by 5 which is equals to 4. So both the side 4, 5 will get cancelled. So what is the velocity of a B? Everybody? Yes,
5
please.
meter per second.
5 meters per second. So it will travel with the velocity of what? Everybody?
5 meter per second.
Velocity
meter
of
per
B is equals to 5 meter per second. Is it clear, all of you? Understand?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So that is what? Constraint motion. So you have to solve very fastly and very like we can say that question to question there must be a fastness. That is there must be a growth in solving. So keep it in mind that. So any doubt in this question, please let me know, or else we'll move with the next question. Okay, so we'll start, all of you. So question you should apply next question to next question. You have to be very careful and you have to make it. Who is missing? Mr. Rishi, and one more else is missing. Who else? Mr. Monis, understand this question? Next, question number 4. Question number 5 now. So there is a rigid surface. All of you observe very carefully. I am drawing very fast. So you also draw. So there is a pulley. This is the fixed pulley. Okay, all of you. So this is a B, and here check it very carefully how I am drawing the question. So there is a block. Okay, so which is actually A. Now a car is moving with the 8 meter per second. How much? 8 meter per second square. Then find the acceleration of, if car will move like this, means this A block will go upward direction. Am I right, Pradosh? Yes or no? So find the acceleration of this block. That is what is our question. So first, this is the question. See that, everybody. So now draw the respond. Here acceleration is this side, means then tension will be what? In this direction. Am I right, everyone? Speak, Ra. All of
Yes,
you.
sir.
So this is the tension. So now next, here you can notice it, everybody. This pulley. So this is the tension direction. This pulley, this is the tension direction. Am I right, guys, everyone? All of you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, always away from it.
Sir.
Right or wrong? Everybody. Yes or no? That's all it is.
Yes, sir.
Now, this is wall somehow. All of you remember that. These are the walls. So don't think about this thing. Somewhere I think disturbance. I don't know who is that. Check it. So now find it, everybody. Acceleration of this. Then we have to use it what? Summation of T into A is equals to what, everybody? 0. Okay. First one, this body, check it here. Tension is this direction, where acceleration is this direction. So minus or plus 180 angle. So minus or plus tension into, yes, tension into -8. Am I right? Speak. Next, plus. And this
Yes,
block, verify it, how many tensions are acting? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Totally how many tensions, all of you? 4 tension.
4.
And acceleration also same direction. So both are parallel. So what is the angle? Angle is 0. Means cos 0 is how much, guys? Cos 0 is how
One.
much? 1. Clear?
1.
40 into A, which is equals to 0. That's all. So both the TT can get cancelled. TT, how can you understand how I'm getting cancelled? I'm taking common and I'm sending that side so that it will become 0. Am I right, guys?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That
Yes,
is what,
sir.
again, don't get confused, sir. How, sir, you can get cancelled. So that's what I'm saying you. So I'm taking common and I'm sending. So that's what you are not a kid, so that I'm sending directly. So 4A is equals to 8. Now A is equals to 8 by 4, which is equals to what is the acceleration?
2
Fast.
meter per second
2 meter per second square. That's all. Clear, everybody? See, if you know the concept, it won't take even a time to understand the question. Answer is that much easy, you can solve it. Am I right, guys? You are able to solve it or not? Sai Gardi, Narayan, are you there in meeting? I want to know. Pradosh, clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir.
That is what. Next question. So what to see, theoretically, last class I have taught you many questions. You can find that questions and all again. So but you can solve how fastly you can solve. So there is a ring question we solved in the last theoretical approach. Do you all remember that, all of you? So the same ring question now. So ring can be sliding. So there is a pulley now. All of you observe, this is attached pulley and there is a block actually A. Okay. Now, so the block is moving with the 4 meter per second. Now, what is the velocity of this ring? This ring will go upward. Am I right or wrong, guys? Everybody clear? Yes or no? So with angle 37 degrees. That's all. So find it now. What is that? So we all know that summation of tension into V is equals to 0. Now here tension will act upward direction. Am I right, guys? As body is moving downwards, tension will act upward or downwards? Fastly. Upward direction.
Upwards.
Upwards. Then here also away from it. So means this is the tension. Am I right, Pradosh? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Velocity is this direction and tension is this direction. So what will happen first? Velocity is downward, tension is up. So minus or plus both are 180 angle. So the T into -4 plus, here you can notice it. Well, T, tension T and V, okay, V, but it is not exactly acting. So what is that? They are not parallel with the angle of how much? Dot product.
Cos 37.
Cos 37. Clear, everyone? So cos 37, which is equals to 0. You should involve, then TT will get cancelled. So I can write V cos 37 is equals to 4. Am I right, guys? So V
Yes,
cos 37 value. Cos 37
4 by
value
5.
4.
4
So
by 5.
get cancelled. So which is V is equals to how much, guys? 5 meter per second. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Question fastness should increase.
Yes, sir.
Aswita, are you solving? I want to know response, please. So that is what. So make it fast. Cos 37 value how much? 4 by 5. Clear, everybody?
4 by 5.
Yeah. Make it quick. Manya, understand, Manya? Princey, anything now, Dishali? Mr. Monish, no response,
sir.
nothing. Simply sitting and solving. I don't know what solving or not. Mr. Murali solving now. Next question number 7. This is one of the IIT JEE question which is asked, I think a few years before. So there is a question. So rigid surface. All of you observe very carefully. So two pulleys are there. So this is the two pulleys. Okay, guys. Now, so this is actually, so initial velocity u, and this side also it is having a velocity u. Okay. Now there is a block which has been, like, imagine that this is the block. So just I will erase it and I'll do it. Just observe, all of you. So there is a block which is acting like lifting both the pulleys. Do you all understand now how it will be? Clear,
Yes, sir.
everybody? So this is what. So both the sides you pull means this block will go up. Okay, guys? Clear?
Yes, sir.
That is what. So now here it will be angle is theta and here also angle is theta. Now first tensions, make it fast now. As these are going downwards, this is also going downwards. So this body will go what? Upward or downward? Upward. What is the
Upward.
find it? What is the velocity we have to find it? That's all. So option A, I will give you 2u cos theta. Option B, I will give you u cos theta. Option C, u by cos theta. And option D is u by 2 cos theta. I'm giving just 1 minute time. Let me see how many of you try. So what we'll use? We have to find velocity. So summation of t into v is equals to what? Everybody.
0.
Fast for those. Make it. Now 3 will come. Just check it, everybody. So first mention tension. Can you tell me here tension how it is acting? Here tension acting upward. Here also tension is acting what? Upward. And here also tension is acting away from it. And here also tension is acting away from it. Am I right, guys? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Right? That's all. So you can apply the formula now. First, T into, it is acting downward direction. So both are opposite. So what will happen? Minus U. Next, plus. This is also, tension is upward, velocity is downwards. This is also T into minus U. Plus. Here you can see that velocity is upward, tensions is also same direction. So how many tensions this body is experiencing? One tension or two tensions are?
2 tension.
Two tensions. So what will happen? 2T.
2 cos theta.
2T cos theta. Understand for those? 2T V cos theta. V cos theta. Clear, everybody? All of you? V also,
Yes, sir.
velocity.
Yeah.
2T V cos theta. Clear? Solve this equation and tell me what is the V, final velocity. Fastly. Now only somebody join. Who is that? I want to know. Mahalakshmi. Okay. This much late means no use, Amma. I'm saying you. Okay, solve fastly now. Yeah, so everywhere can I get cancel the TT, everybody? That's fine, huh? So minus
Yes,
u minus 2u plus 2v cos theta. Am I right, everybody? Clear? This
Yes,
can I
sir.
write as a 2v cos theta is equals to 2u. So some other thing also will get cancelled. 2 will get cancelled.
See, sir.
Cos
U
theta
by
is
cos
equals to
theta.
u and v is equals to u by what, guys? Everybody?
Cos theta.
Cos theta. So this is one of the numerical, important numerical they ask in JEE mains 1 year. Okay. So see that if you know the concept, this is a 3 more question for those in a JEE actually, JEE mains. So if you know the concept, how much time it will take? That's all. So it won't even take 2 seconds, hardly 10 seconds you can take if you are very good in concept. That is the advantage of constraint motion shortcuts. If you practice for 100 sums, just I'm saying, imagine constraint motion. By seeing a question, you can guess the answer. Am I right, Rudreswar? But a lot of practice is needed. It's not easy because it is not there in the syllabus and nobody will teach. And you have to be focused as it is very important concept for JEE and as well as NEET. Okay. So there is a question which we already solved last class. The same question we are going to apply now, shortcut formula, and we are going to finish it. So there we have taken something like outside angle means like 180 minus theta, like that we have taken. Am I right, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So
Yes, sir.
definitely we'll see that. The similar one, now you don't need to apply that, but you have to be very logical. If you are logical little bit, then you can understand it everything. So there is a pulley. You can see that. This is the pulley. Okay. And there is a block A. And this is another thing. This is block B. block A and block B. Actually, both are in same surface. Let me take, this is big. So, okay, everybody. So both are in same surface. You can imagine like, so this block A is moving with, imagine just 9.9 meter per second. So this angle is 37 and this angle is 53. So now find velocity of B. That's all is the question. I'm giving time. How fast you people can solve, let me know. Later I will rectify. If you make many mistake, I will say that. So what is the formula we have to use? Shortcut. Summation of TV is equals to what?
Summation of TV is equal to 0.
0. So solve fastly, brothers. Try. Try, everybody try. Whatever you can make, you make it. Right or wrong, secondary. Just you find it, what is the velocity of B, that's all. So either you take positive or negative. Don't take now. See, before when I was solving the theoretical approach, as the velocity in this side, and here angle is inside angle, so that we have taken here like something 180 minus 37 like that, cos 180 minus 37 like that, etc. Am I right or wrong? Here, understand?
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
Yeah, that is a theoretical approach. Don't follow that and all. Now here directly, as the tension is acting, you can see that here. How the tension is acting? Here tension is acting like this, and here tension is also acting like this. Am I right? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, now here if you notice, tension and velocity both are in same direction with angle of 33. Sorry, 53. But here tension and velocity are both are opposite direction with angle of 33.
Opposite.
So what you take here? Very simple. Minus T into VA cos 37. Right or wrong? No 180 minus 37 and all. Understand with this one? Just minus because both are opposite.
Yes,
Clear?
sir.
Yes, everybody. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Next here, what will happen? Plus T into VB into cos
VB into
cos 53. That's
53.
all. You all solve it and make it fast. Answer I wanted. So one is 37, one is 53. So what is the angle? 53 means here be 4 and here 3 and here 5. So 37 means here 3, here 4 and here 5. These triangles are very popular triangles. Always must be there in our mind. That's all. Then what is the next step? Fast. Everyone answer please. VB equals to.
Sir, minus 9 into 4 by 5.
Here, wrong answer, brothers. You have to be very careful. So here I have taken
Sir,
minus.
no,
Why you understand, everybody? Tension is opposite to the velocity. That's why it's minus. Clear, everyone? Yes?
Yes,
Then
sir.
tension will get cancelled. So which will become what? VB cos 53 is equals to VA cos 37. Am I right, everyone? Clear?
Yes,
Next.
sir.
So VB. So velocity of B cos 37, how much, brothers? 3 by 5, which is equals to velocity of A into cos 50. Sorry, here
4 by 5, sir.
yeah,
4 by
cos
3.
53. Cos 53 is 3 by 5. Cos 53 is
Cos
3 by
37, 4 by 5, sir.
Yes. Cos 53 is 3 by 5. Cos 37, how much? 4 by 5. So both the sides
4 by 5.
cancel. This will come. VA value, we know that. What is the VA value? 9. 9 into
9
4.
into
9.
4 by 5.
3. Yes, please. So VB is equals to how much? 9 by 3 into 4. 3 1 ja, 3 3 is which is equals to
12 meter per second.
12 meter per second. Are those clear? You should not make mistake. Okay. Understand, all of you?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yeah. That's all. Solve it fast. Any doubt? Anybody can ask me, please. Clear, everybody? So Narayan, Monish, keep on asking, but no, you still behaving like a fool, just like a small kids. Why I should beg you people? You should answer. Why only they should answer every time? You can say, sir, can I say this? Can I say this? Sir? That is what you want to do it. There is a always you have to work. That is what is my expectation. Next question I want to answer. You answer, you can. Otherwise, you can. You don't need to do it. Okay, question number 9, I think. Okay, so there is a thing. There is a rigid surface which has been attached to totally 3 pulleys. How many pulleys? 3 pulleys, and there is a pulley now. So 3 fixed pulleys. 3 fixed pulleys and 1 pulley is there. All of you observe very carefully. And another down also 3 pulleys are there. Understand for those question?
Yes, sir.
So this is a block. All of you draw perfectly. Aswita, Purima, understanding or not? Mani and Samya? Nothing it is. So now there is a block which is attached. Now all of you observe there is a block B. Now A is going with a 14 meter per second downwards. Now find it, what is the velocity of B. So velocity of B will go upward or downward? If A is coming downwards, B will go upward or downward?
We will go upward, sir.
Upward. So find it fastly. That's all I wanted. Make it quick. I'm giving just 1 minute time. So velocity of B, I want it. That is go upward, how much it is? Tell me the answer, that's all. So I'll give you one clue, summation of TV is equals to 0. That's all. Finish it fast. Let me see first. Tensions. Mark the tensions and tell me how many tensions for this one and that one. Answer. Everybody should work. Everyone should answer. Don't answer, I will ask. Then only you say. Complete answer, please. Very good, Rudreshwar. Rudreshwar, very good. Done. Next, others, please.
Sir, 7
Yes,
by
brother.
3.
Speak. No problem. Wrong means nothing wrong. I am not scolding anything. You should.
Sir, 7 by 3.
Wrong answer, brothers. Just count it. First mention tension. Here, tension away from it. Am I right? T. Correct?
Sir,
Little careful, brothers. Little careful. You are not that you are failing because of now you don't know concept. In a concept, the problem is there is a carelessness. First, this body you write it. Tension is upward and velocity is downward. So what will happen now? T into minus 14. Am I right? Clear? And this velocity B block you check it here. How many? It is also attached. Now first here tension away from it. Here tension away from it. Here tension away from it. Tension away from it. And here also tension away from it. Here also tension away from it. Here also tension away from it. Totally how many tensions? Counted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many? 70 into velocity of B is equals to 0. Am I right? Clear for those?
yes, sir.
That is what? So 7 into VB is equals to 14. So velocity of B is equals to 14 by 7. Which is the answer? All of you. 2 meter per
2
second.
meter per second.
You have to solve very faster. That's what I'm saying. For those where you committed mistake, let me know.
Sir, tension counted wrong.
That is what I'm saying. You know the concept, but you fail to mention the tensions properly, then whose responsibility? How many tensions you have taken?
6, sir.
6, because the last one you not considered,
No, sir. First one itself I didn't.
Here,
Yes, sir.
You have to be, that's what I'm saying. You should not give any kind of chance to like miss the mark. Very precise. Nothing wrong in that. That's fine. Because we are beginning, no problem. But just look into that. Okay. And next, there is a question we solved, a sliding rod. Do you all remember, everybody? Sliding rod?
Yes, sir.
Yes. The same
Sir.
question. Yes. Who is that?
Sir, Kadir Nilan, sir.
Yeah, ask me, Kadir.
Sir, there are total 8 tensions now, sir.
The A is tension, first tension for this object A, man, not for this A. Object B alone, 7 tensions only. Count it. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Object B alone, only 7 tensions, Kadri. Have you checked it here? Only 7 tensions for object B. Object A, 1 tension it is. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Kadir. Then object A, what will happen? Tension into minus 14. Because minus 14, why minus 14? Velocity is downward, tension is upward. So T into minus 14. T into 14. And what is the angle? 180. So 180 angle means how much it is? Minus 1. So that it will take directly, instead of taking minus 1, I am taking T into minus 14. Okay, Kadir?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Anything doubt? Mr. Moni is completed. Sai Karthik?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, do it. Next question, rod sliding question. So there is a 2 walls. We all know question number 10. Make it quick, everybody. You have to solve it. There is no time. You have to hurry. Hardly next 10 days, I'll finish next chapter also. So be ready for that. How much you practice is your choice. Teaching is okay. It's my headache. I'm teaching. You should work. So this is rod. Actually, we all knows that. So it is making here angle of 37 now. So now it's a rod actually. So there is a 2 tensions. One tension is upward and here what is the tension at this point? downwards. Am I right? So this point is B and this point is A. Now what is the velocity of this point B? That is what is our question. So velocity of A, it is moving with 3 meter per second. So find it fastly. Summation of TV is equals to 0. Do it fast. And here the angle is 53 degrees. Make it quick now. Who will solve first? I want to know. VB equals to, make it quick. So now check it everybody. Here tension is upward and velocity is downward. So that what both the tension is, what will happen? T into what? Cos 37, because it is making 37 angle, and 3 minus 3 plus 3
-3.
minus 3 because it is away from it. Now here velocity is also downwards, tension is also downwards, both are positive. So what will happen? T into velocity
into
B
VB
into
into
cos
cos 53.
37.
4 meter.
37.
Yeah, cos 53, sorry. Cos 53. Yeah, please find it fast. Rudresh already finished it. Solve it everybody.
Sir,
Here
4 meter per second.
4 meter per second, that's all. So what will happen? TT will get cancelled. Then what will happen? Velocity will be into cos 53, which is equals to cos 37 into 3. Am I right or wrong? So cos 53 value, please. Cos 53 value.
Yes, sir.
3 by 5. And
3
cos
by 5.
37 value. 4 by
4 by
5.
5.
Into
4 by
3.
5 into
Both
3.
the sides 3 will get cancelled. 5 will get cancelled. So what is
5
remaining?
cancel.
Velocity of V is equals to
4 meter per second.
4
Then
meter per second.
over. That's what. See, question only looks big. When you see suddenly question looks very big. But if you are very smart, just a time minute. There is a two triangles, very famous triangles. Always mind should say bigger than bigger here, and here smaller, and here normal. If it is a smaller angle, what will happen? If it is a smaller angle, then here smaller, here bigger, here smaller. Sorry, 5. Clear everybody? Bigger angle, bigger side. Smaller angle, smaller side. Okay, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
till now we are studying about tension. Now if there is no tension, there is a blocks, then it will come what? Perpendicularly acting force, something we used to call. One surface will act, suppose this is the surface and this is another surface. First surface will
Normal.
exert force on opposite, that is what? Normal. Second surface will exert force on the normal in the downward direction. Am I right or wrong? Do you all remember that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Similar sums. So this is the question. Have you all completed this question? Fastly, make it quick. All of
Yes,
you.
sir. Completed.
Yes, completed means the next one. So now onwards, very careful. This question onwards entirely different. So now we are going to make tension normal reaction. So there is a two walls. All of you may mark it. So there is a two walls. Observe very carefully. Now one block 1 is sliding downwards. Block 1 is sliding downwards, and there is a block 2 another downwards. They both are not attached. Pradosh, clear, like a cutting block, like this.
Sir.
Okay, so this is what? Block 2, and this is what? Block 1. All of you understand, Amma? Now block 1 is moving with the acceleration of A1, and block 2 is moving with the acceleration of A2. Block 2 is moving with the acceleration of what? Everybody? A2. So A2 acceleration is 3√3 meter per second square. 3√2 meter per second square. Then calculate what is the acceleration of this one. Understand, Udreswar? Block 2 is moving like this direction, and block 1 is coming downward direction. Understand? Yes?
Yes, sir.
So this is not a plane surface. There is an inclined surface. So we all know that inclined surface means normal will act in this direction. Am I right? Everybody clear? Like inclination. Inclination means like this. Clear, everybody remember? All of you? Inclined surface means, for example, there is a mass here. So weight of the body is acting like this. Then normal reaction opposite to this, like this only. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, that is the same thing. So next,
Yes,
all of you observe, this is a block 1 and this is a block 2. Now, here it is not tension. Then what is that? Normal reaction it is. So what is this, everybody? Now onwards, no tension. What is this? Normal reaction. Then shortcut formulas. What is that? Summation of n into x is equals to 0. Summation of n into v is equals to 0. Summation of n into a is equals to 0. So now tension become what? Tension become what? Normal reaction. Understand, all of you? Yes? So that is what it is.
Yes,
Now first one, block 1. Block 1 alone I will draw down. All of you check it here. So this is what? A block 1. Okay, all of you? Now, so check it, everyone. Normal is acting in this direction. So of course, I will mention here. I forgot to mention it also. So the angle is here 30 degrees. How much is the angle, everybody?
30.
Yes? Yes. Now here if it is a 30 means, then here also how much, Ra? Pradosh, here 30 means here also how much?
30.
30 degrees.
Mention with a different color so that you can understand. So now all of you observe very carefully. So here also what is the angle? Everybody? Yes, please.
30 degree.
Then we all know that, and here 90 means, then here how much it will be?
30.
Wait, here total
Sir,
perpendicular.
60, sir.
Yeah, this is 30 degrees means then remaining how much it is? 60. Clear?
60.
Yes. Then at this point, so there is
60.
acting, acceleration is downwards. So that I will take acceleration is downwards A1. So means normal reaction at the same like inclination surface. So inclination means here also normal is same. Am I right, Pradosh? Understanding?
Yes, sir.
Everywhere normal is same. So normal means here also what is the angle then? Here 60, here 30. Then these two are 90. These two are 90. So 60 here means here how much angle?
30.
30 degrees. All of you understand? That is what. So what is the formula we have to use? Summation of n into a is equals to 0. FBD diagrams understand very carefully. So this is what? Understand, Rudreswa?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now second body, how the normal force act, you tell me. If the first body, second body is experiencing first body normal reaction like this, then first body experience a normal reaction and second body in this direction. Am I right or wrong? Same perpendicular.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. That is
Yes,
what.
sir.
So now second body diagram. So second body, everybody free body diagram, observe all of you. So this is what. Now here it is acting normal reaction like this. Now what is the angle here? We all people knows. Angle how much? 30 degrees.
30 degree.
Yeah. Now here is the normal means at this end also. This is also normal. So now here
Normal.
what is the angle will come? Both actually 90 degrees. Then 30
60
gone
degree.
means here how much it will come?
60.
Fastly. Yes, please.
60 degree.
60 degrees.
60
Clear?
degree.
Everybody? 60 degrees. Understand or not? All of you?
Yes, sir.
That is
Yes,
what.
sir.
So now write it. Summation of n into a is equals to 0. So what will happen? First one. Normal is upward. Acceleration is downward. So minus or plus or? N into cos 30. N into cos 30 minus or plus or acceleration?
Minus.
Both are opposite. But here both are same direction. So plus n into a2, because this is also moving same direction. This is also clear, Rudreswar, now? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Understand, Amma? That
Yes,
is
sir.
so what will happen here? N into a2 into how much? Cos 30 or cos 60? Normal reaction.
Cos 60, sir.
Cos 60.
Cos 60.
Cos 60 is equals to 0. That's all. Now n will get cancelled. So what else is there? I will write it. A2 cos 60 is equals to A1 cos 30. Is it clear, everyone? So A2
Yes,
value
sir.
we all knows that. 3 root 3. What is the A2 value I have given? 3 root 3 into
3 root.
cos 60 value. Cos 60 value 1 by 2.
1 by 2.
A1 into cos 30 value.
Root 3 by 2.
Root 3 by 2.
Will get cancelled. Root 3 will get cancelled. So A1 is equals to what?
3
Fastly.
meter per second
3
square.
meter per
Second square. That's all. Okay, all of you understand how to solve normal reactions? So meeting is going to end. Join back so that we will finish it. So A1 is equals to how much is the answer? 3 meter per.
3 meter per second square.
Okay. So that is what. So you have to be very small, very careful. Aswita, understand this question? Clear? All of you? So there is 2 more questions. We will solve the 2 questions. Then this constraint motion is over. So please join back quickly so that we can continue. Okay, finish this question. Anybody having any doubt, you can ask me. Completed means